Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my savvy and you're watching, thank you for watching. So on today's topic, we're going to talk about Utando and Mania Label. So this is what happened between these two friends. So back then, years ago, Tando and Many Label and other influencers, they used to live in a house where only influencers were staying there. So they said they didn't like her attitude or whatsoever personality. So it just got so many people's attention. Like, why are you saying this now? Like, even Tando, she was asking on your life, like, why did she not tell her, like, privately, like, friend, I don't like this kind of attitude, instead of her just going to podcasts and talking bad about her for her image to go down or what. So this is how Tando replied on your life.
You're not the first one to say that. Like a lot of people, bang, Jayla, bang, buzu, tando, booyah, booyah. But like, guys, I swear, it's done. It's done. You're never gonna see me with those people.
Yo, for the first time, I see this side of Tando. Guys, Tando now she's so matured. I thought she was going to come for her and say, like, exchange words, you know. Even Lebo now has given up talking about Tando, I'm sure, because Tando is not busy with her. So, like, this new Tando is giving a matured old woman because I think she's 19 years or 18, something like that. She has really changed. This is a good thing, most especially for her image. Tanda is known of beefing, guys. If you can go now and search the old videos of Tanda, you'll see how she used to respond to people who were coming on her way, but clearly now she has grown up. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.